Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excuse the new looks. Well, actually, they look really good, which is a good idea. And we did it again. So anyway, I went ahead and 3D printed myself a new cover. Uh-oh. It's still floating, but I don't know how long. Now we are trying to do that. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! That's not good! Come on! You're not the tumbling one! Nice, it's not skipping today because the water is really nice and calm. A lot of water. What did I just do? Yes, come to this corner. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Salishan Mal here. It's a boat day. I just enjoyed my amazing TFO hobby pursuit boat. It was awesome to drive. Amazing boat, man. I'm simply loving it. I was driving that with 5000 milliamp 4S, and now I have in my hands the EX Hobbies Vector Pro or Angry Shark boat, which also runs on 4S battery, and it's running a 4S 5000 milliamp inside as well. Let's see how it goes and how this baby behaves. Okay, so Vector Pro is here, and let's turn the radio on. Let's power it up with a 4S. Okay, now the thing that I don't like about it is this cramp area right here for the battery. But anyway, that shaft is not revolving, so no worries about that. And of course, the thing that I like is the cover with a sealing for waterproofing. But how waterproof it is, we're gonna find out very, very soon. So I'm just gonna lock it and check. Everything is good. Yes, everything is good. And here we go. Let's drive it. Ooh, feisty, huh? Okay, that's like 20% throttle only. Ooh, this one is jumping, man. It's like fast. Volantex or EX Hobby, man. You're doing amazing with boats. Please keep up this good work. I mean, what an amazing fast boat. Look how it's jumping, man. I can hear something like turbine in there. Oh man, I can see the boat is just touching the water and then jumping, staying in the air. Did you see that? Let me pick up a zoom camera. Hold on. So we have zoom camera now. It's zoomed in. The motor in there sounds like a turbine there, man. It's like rocking left and right. I can see how the boat is jumping. Let me line up a shot. It's tumbling around. Uh-oh. 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 We got the cover. We lost the cover. Still floating there, which is a good idea. Ah! Look what happened. That was such a nice boat, man. Okay, the boat seems to be okay, but I need to go and find the cover now. I was actually having fun, man. But then it just decided to flip itself. And nonetheless, this is an amazing boat. Let me go check where is the cover. Alright, continuing the review. Excuse the new looks. Well, actually, they look really good. Because yesterday I lost the top cover on this. And you should also tape the top cover, remember, because it's very easy to lose that one. It's not easy to secure. It's not that secure actually like the previous ones. So anyway, I went ahead and 3D printed myself a new cover. I'm not worried about water going in because this boat has waterproof electronics. So let's just enjoy and have fun again. Alright, there we go, baby. Woo! This thing is like have a turbine on it. Awesome. This thing skips. We shouldn't actually call it Vector Pro. We should call it the skipper boat because it skips the water all the time because of its speed. Bugs, leave me alone. Let me enjoy. What kind of bug is bothering me? And this thing is nice and fast. We should say, like, we should say, oh, 好快! 不够快! It's still not fast enough. We need something even faster. It's fast, but 不够快. It's still not very fast. It starts tumbling left and right when it's at high speeds. Controls are really nice. And my 3D printed canopy or cover is simply even more awesome. Now we are trying to do that. Uh-oh! 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 That's not good! Come on! You're not the tumbling one! I think I can still drive it. Come on, don't do that! There we have our totem pole. It's still floating, but I don't know how long. My friend is bringing the little surfboard, and after that I can go and rescue it, but I don't know how far the boat will be by the time he arrives in a half hour. Volantex RC with a wet battery and wet interior. Well, what can we say? I still want to play with this boat. It's perfectly waterproof, and so far I had 2 bad episodes with this boat. But hey, check out my 3D printed casing, which is actually better than the original one. Two bad episodes. I don't know if we are going to have a third bad episode today, but I simply love the way this boat skips, man. I simply love the way it skips around. So we're gonna skip it one more time. Let's do the skipper boat. And yesterday I actually bent the rudder as well. Here we are, people, once again with the Voluntex RC boat going in water. Hey, this 3D printed case is even better, man. It looks even better than the previous one. Nice. It's not skipping today because the water is really nice and calm. Nice rooster tail, man. Today it has tabs, metal tabs, so I have put those tabs down as well, much more down, and it is behaving better. It's not tumbling. It's not tumbling that much as it used to before. It still skips, but it's not tumbling that much. So using those tabs, you can just put them downward, and you see, it's behaving much better today compared to yesterday or previous runs I had. Very smooth, much more smooth than before. Nice boat, X-Hobby. Very nice boat. I lost the boat twice in this river, but I got it back. My battery is crying really bad now, so I have to stop it and probably retire that battery now. And we did it again. Okay, not bad. I can actually go grab it. This time it's very close. I don't know. I think this boat really have bad luck with me. So Ali Shanmao did kind of Hercules move right there. Now this gives me a lot of allergy. So I have to make sure not to touch it. If I touch it, I will get a rash. Alright, boat, you're lucky that today I flipped you here. Whoa! Voluntex boats, they actually drink a lot of water. What did I just do? What did I just do? Why did I throw it this way? Now it's going away. Before it does, I should try to grab it. No, don't go farther. Yes, come to this corner. Come to this corner, baby. Yeah, I can pick you up. Okay, I can pick you up. Man, this boat has like real bad mishaps all the time. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not being nice to this boat. Check it out. This much water. Anyway, boat is good, man. It's our issue that we are actually, it's my problem actually, that I am making some serious mistakes with this boat while playing. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.